The document ingestion tool is the starting point for unlocking your content. By leveraging advanced AI data extraction technology, paired with cutting-edge AI computer vision, Vulgate stands apart from other OCR and AI document tools. Vulgate not only vectorizes your data to make it readable by generative AI models, but it also intelligently parses your content and semantically structures it to make it very accessible for both AI and humans. We offer ingestion in multiple modalities, including text formats such as PDFs, as well as URLs, images, and audio files, with support for native video coming soon. Let's use text for our example. I can drop in any number of PDF files that I'd like, but we'll just use one PDF for this example. Once that's done, I can submit it to the AI to begin processing. Here's the source document that I'm uploading. This file has many headers, footnotes, as well as general noise that needs to be cleaned up and parsed out. Once the document is finished processing, you'll get a notification in which you can go and view the extracted work. On the document summary page, you'll find an AI-generated summary of the work, as well as keywords and subjects automatically extracted. The transcript tab shows the entire extracted contents of the work, including the headers, page breaks, and other formatting. In particular, footnotes are carefully notated and content made easily available in line with the text. The document metadata is extracted using AI and added to the right-hand column for review and edits if necessary. Under the hood, we encode the text in TEI, a well-respected text standard used by many organizations, including libraries and research institutions, for digital archiving. You can also make edits directly to the work in this panel if necessary. This ensures your data is stored in an industry-standard format, which is interoperable with many other tools and systems. Next, we can get ready to publish the document. Once I'm ready, I can visit the Publish tab, ensure that everything looks correct, and hit the Publish button. This will vectorize the work and make it available in the Vulgate document viewer. That caps off the key features of Vulgate. Ready to explore Vulgate for yourself? Visit our homepage and click Get Started to create a free plan, which includes $20 worth of ingestion credits. Unlock the full potential of your data. Try Vulgate today.